Hello GLT members, a very good day to all of you. Hope everyone is doing great. And here we have another video today for getting OTC charts for different brokers. Earlier we had released a video for Bbot and unfortunately Bbot seems to be trial where you will have to renew or the subscription from Bbot, or if you have a new Telegram ID you can generate a new license. However, today we have a new expert advisor for XCharts, and that has been giving free license so far for over many months. And the video description has the link for joining the group for XCharts. Also, a link for Greenline Trading is available below, which is my group. I would be providing free indicators and free signals and many more on the group. Please join Greenline Trading and XCharts group for license, and I will show you on how to get OTC charts right now. All you have to do is open any live market chart, ensure you go to tools and enable the DLL import under expert advisor. Now all you have to do is add XCharts to the chart and input the license that is shared on the group and select the broker that you want. So I select Quotex, I click OK. Now you can see the broker license status and whether the status is connected for the server. Right now Quotex is connected. I click on open offline and you can see the list of OTC charts that's available. I would randomly open any chart and you can just go ahead and cross verify for any currency pairs and it would match. The server seems to be good on this XCharts as well without much delay, and uh, yeah, it's pretty good. I would request all of you to use it. It's free so far, so enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for joining in, guys. Have a good day. See you next time.